Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve the Assassin's Creed Origins starting trouble. That is, let me show you. When we try to start the game, okay, let's give yes. Wait for a few moments. It just shows the screen. After that time it gets closed automatically. I will show you. It's usually happening when we are using the Fitgirls repack. So we have a solution for that. Yeah, it's gone. We can open the game. So let me show you the shortcut or just the crack. You just need to select this, right click, and go to the open file location, and just scroll up a few. You can see a cracks folder. Here in this cracks folder, you to open and you can see two folders, that is crackfish codex and original codex. From here we need to open the original codex and copy this. Just copy this. I just press Ctrl C, go to the main folder and just paste here. This should hold really replace the file destination. Okay, this should solve the problem. So let's again check once more. Let's wait a few minutes to open. Okay guys, now it's working. So let me just start the game. Start with the beginning. This guys, now it's work. So that's all. Thank you guys.